Okay, so what if you're a procrastinator? You can deal with this. There are some things you can do to avoid procrastination. First, identify the consequences of not doing the task. Let's say you have a paper due next week, and today you're supposed to work on the outline. If you don't take the time to get the outline done today, then you're just making more work for yourself later. Something else you can do is remind yourself of a bigger goal, like graduation, playing sports, good grades, and display a reminder for yourself. You could also create a reward system for yourself. Every time you accomplish something, give yourself a small reward. If you have a ton of homework to do, make a plan to work for 20 or 30 minutes, and then reward yourself with a 5 or 10 minute break. Also, don't forget to plan time for yourself. That way you aren't tempted to put things off that you have to do in order to do things that you want to do. If you know that you have time set aside later to chat with your friends, it makes it easier to get your work out of the way first. If you have a hard time even after you try these tips, you might ask someone to check up on you to see how you're progressing. You might work harder if you know someone's going to be checking on you.